Today is February 24th, I think. I'm working on what I like to call my pet project. It's a customer's house that's for sale, and she's letting me get all the equipment out of the basement for the cleanup of the basement. And so we got shelves over here. We got woodworking equipment. Planer, radial arm saw, chop saw, lathe over there in the corner. Bandsaw back here that I'm not sure is any good. Basically, they just want it cleaned out, and I've been working on it for some time now. The house is 100 years old, so it's quite a adventure. Get my light, because that's the only light in this area that works, other than my floodlights. But we got the, we can go, what's that drain right there? It's a furnace. And this is basically all that's left in here. I'm leaving the tables and the shelves. Check out that old light switch. Tables and shelves are staying. But what I wanted to show you is this old wash basin. And there was a staircase right there that come down from the house that the customer closed off. But like that nice Craftsman drill press right there is a tall drill press. Oh, shit, that scared me. Damn. That scared me. Because I'm down here by myself. I don't like it down here by myself. Now I'm going to be a paranoid nut the rest of the evening today. Whew. That's all for now. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to rate, subscribe, comment, and have a great day.